Right then, back down the beach. I've come a bit further along than the other day. There's quite a lot of mud down here, so I'll only go out so far. And yeah, that's my playground for the next couple of hours. I'm out with the Deus 2. Give it a little run out. It hasn't been out for a while. And I've got the big Bertha coil on as well. So let's see how we go. Enjoy and see you at the first hole. 79.80. Finally got a signal. See what it's going to be. Probably a bit of aluminium, knowing my luck. These are the right numbers for a coin or a bit of copper. Just a bit of copper. There you go. 67, 68. $67, 68. Out. It's out. Just a bit of aluminium. Yep, just a bit of aluminium. Oh, we've got a 60, 61. Not too sure what that would be. Could be a fishing weight, maybe. Don't really know. It's going quiet now. So, was it something and I've toppled it over onto its edge? I don't know. Probably not. Alright, nothing now. That is out. I'm going to go with a fishing weight, I think. No. Bloody ring pull. How deep down it was. Never mind. Alright, we have an 87. $87.88. Could be a pound. Numbers like that. Could be a fishing weight, could be anything really, to be fair, but I think it could be a pound. Or a can. Probably a can actually. Be my luck really today, wouldn't it? Oh dear, there it is there. Never mind. Never mind. When did that run out of date? No, it's not out of date yet. Another year to go. There you go. Off the beach. I didn't show it being dug. come up as a 38. It's just the back of a watch. Just the back of a watch. Now the markings on it, apart from saying stainless steel back. There you go. That's a 50-51 not moving, if that makes sense. Oh, I'm sinking. Doesn't sound so good now. Oh, it's out. Is it a fishing weight? Let's have a look. Still a 50-51. Let's go for a ring pull, shall we? That's been in the ground a long time. Good old ring pull. Oh, dearie me. Oh, we've got a 79-80. Just blowing my eardrums out. If I can get in the ground. Oh, no. Oh. What is that? What is that? Surely it's not a rail of no, here it comes. Oh. Wow, there's another bit in there as well. I'm knackered after that last one. I've got a 63, 64 now. Hopefully I'll be able to dig a bit further with this one. Go away from the rocks, so to speak. Oh. Maybe not. Oh, it's out. Oh, bloody ring pull. I'm being plagued today. Never mind. Standard for this beach. It's a light bulb fitting. I never understand that on this beach. I just find loads of them. It's an 8788. Now all day long I know what that should be, but I've had bloody bits of bottle and everything today, and cans all at the same number. Oh, what's happening here? Now, whatever it is. Use the pointer. Use the pointer. Bloody bit of a padlock. Oh well. There you go. A padlock. Well, finished after just a couple of hours. I think I did about 2.25 hours. Tide's still on its way in. Deus 2, well, yeah, found loads of trash. But then again, this is a trashy beach, so it probably performed very well. Yeah, I don't know what to say other than that. I believe I might be out on a permission tomorrow. And then I'm out on another permission next week, which I'm really looking forward to. And that's with a friend of mine, and we're going to an abbey with the nuns. So that'll be very interesting. So let's see how we go with that. For today, yeah, I wasn't very impressed with the dig. So out of all the finds, I will select probably 6, 8 or 10. I'm not going to put them all up, but you will see them at the end, straight after this outro. If you've got this far, thank you very much. Much appreciated. If you like it, put the thumbs up. If you dislike it, put the thumbs down. If you haven't already subscribed and you want to see more, then please subscribe. It is free. Much appreciated, and see you at the next.